Dentitox Pro Review. Are you in dire need of a solution that can prevent teeth and gums from excessively bleeding? If the answers are yes, you've come to the right place. After some research, we discovered an oral health solution that reflects African tribunal practices with some confirmation level from the scientific community. The purpose of this review is to unravel the different layers of Dentitox Pro. What is Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro is an oral support supplement that aims to rebuild gums and teeth, all while getting rid of tooth decay. Founded on primitive African tribe rituals, this solution only contains natural ingredients, which, when combined, are trusted to make a whole lot of a difference, starting at the very root of the problem. Having experienced poor oral health himself, 54-year-old Professor Marc Hall conceptualized the formula and, together with his doctor friend, brought Dentitox Pro to life. At this point, it only seems fair to understand how Dentitox Pro is meant to work fully. How does Dentitox Pro work? Dentitox Pro targets the root cause of poor oral health. According to Marc, we all need to take a step back to realize that toxic food can potentially harm teeth and gums. Specifically, substances that end up entering food growing, harvesting, and packaging processes eventually make their way to the mouth. As a result, many of these substances induce varying damage levels that make them difficult to live with. Dentitox Pro works in 3 crucial steps. Step 1, may stop inflammation, bleeding, and pain while tightening the gums. Step 2, may detoxify pollutants, chemicals, and other substances are known to cause damages to teeth and gums. Step 3, rebuilds teeth and gums. Final thoughts. Ultimately, Dentitox Pro is an oral health supplement that uses ingredients home to African tribes to reverse damages in gum diseases, tooth decay, and bad breath, among several others. The formula itself constitutes all natural ingredients, some of which have more traditional uses than others. Our research suggests that many of the listed ingredients do have evidence pointing to positive effects. However, some either require further research or have yet to be studied. In the end, individuals might have to decide between folk and traditional medicines or scientific evidence. What makes Dentitox Pro attractive is that it is an oil-based supplement. This is especially desirable because many plants and herbs-related extracts thrive when infused in an oil base. Who can forget the immediate delivery of nutrients that such solutions can provide to our saliva compared to capsules or tablets? Finally, just use Dentitox Pro 1 solution, and all your worries will be gone regarding teeth problems. Get it now. Official link given in the description box below.